Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from class manufacturing process. Yes. From section 5 under Hairul Mubarak bin Hassim. And now we're going to present about how to make knife. The procedure of making a hunting knife or any knife in this world. So let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Manufacturing process. How to make knives. So, our group member consists of 4 members, that is one Muhammad Haikal bin Huzainizam, Muhammad Fikri bin Noor Razali, Muhammad Izzat Syahmi bin Samsudin, and lastly Muhaimin Shah bin Zaman Shah. First, I will go through about the content of this slide. Consists of 4 chapters, that is introduction, literature review, procedure and steps to manufacture, and lastly the advantages and disadvantages of the process to make knife.
Hi, my name is Muhaimin bin Zaman Shah. I will present to you about what is hunting knife and the main part of the hunting knife.
Okay, what is hunting knife? Hunting knife is a tool with a cutting edge or blade attached to handle. It is originally made of rock, bone, flint, and obsidian. Improvement in metallurgy. This is the aspect of knife blade that can be improved. The knife blade can be improved by replacing by bronze, copper, iron, steel, ceramic, or titanium. This is the main parts of a knife. It has blade, edge, point, and handle.
Hi, my name is Wan Muhammad Haikal, and now we will discuss about literature review, which contain about design, types, and lastly about the material to produce a knife. So let's go. So I will share about the literature review of knife. So the design of hunting knife is designed for cutting rather than stabbing. And knife have a single sharpened edge and the blade is slightly curved on most model. What about the knife that have both portion, curved and straight? So the curved portion is used for skinning and the second portion, the straight portion, is used for cutting slice of meat. Okay, in this world, we have two type of knife, that is a fixed blade knife and the folding knife. The fixed blade knife is designed for a large hunt and the terrain are more rugged. And the fixed blade is better option for strength and dependability. Secondly, about the folding knife is designed for easy carry and to conceal. And lastly, the folding knife is considered as safer than the fixed blade because it can fold into a smaller size and easy to carry anywhere. Sorry. And lastly, about the material of the knife, there are various types of material used to make the knife blade, and most of it is carbon steel, stainless steel, tool steel, and alloy steel. They also have a less common material that used to make the knife blade, that is by using cobalt, titanium alloy, ceramic, and lastly using plastic to make the knife blade.
Hello, hi, my name is Fikri bin Razali. Today I want to talk about step by step to making a hunting knife. So let's check it out.
So the step by step to manufacture the hunting knife is, the first step is forming the blade. We have to start from blank, cut from flint Material, which is soft, punch press and die shape to match the outline of the blade. Custom knife may be cut out with saw or industrial laser. Next is hardening and tempering. In hardening and tempering is blade are placed into ceramic tray in heat treating oven. Heat temperature in the oven is raised to approach 1600 Fahrenheit, which is 871 degrees Celsius, which is 2 hours. Blade submerged into oil and water, which is rapid cooling, is equal to quenching. Metal become more brittle. We have to reheat for approach, which is 500 degree Fahrenheit, which is 260 degrees Celsius. We have to allow to cool slowly, which is tempering. The third step is polishing and sharpening, which is performed by machine or hand. Polish out marks, which is from the punch press operations, and remove surface residue, which is from heat treat operations. Next is honing. Honing is a rough grinding, fine angle performed, the cutting edge of knife. Fine grinding is also called honing. Smaller edge will produce sharpened edge. For the last process is stocks are reverted or pressed onto tank of the knife blade. If leather handle, the washer segment are stacked into the tag, starting at the gut. Pommel is pressed onto end of tank with pin of rivet. Next is squeeze leader together tight is guide handle. Lastly is gut and pommel finished by buffing wheel and sealant.
2, 2, 3. Okay, so what's up, guys? So my name is Muhaimin, Syahmi, and Samsudin, and I will presenting about the advantage and disadvantage of every process that have been mentioned before. Okay, so there's 4 process that we might consider the advantage and disadvantages. So the first process is punch press or stamping process. So the advantage of the punch press process is it is ideal for manufacturing large quantities of products and is also possible to create innovative design and complex products. The disadvantages is it require additional cost and difficulty if change of design is required, and also the upfront tooling cost make sure production runs ineffective and expensive. So the second process is induced heating treatment process, which is particularly is the tempering and hardening process. So the advantage of the heat treatment process is it is low operating cost, and also it will produce a very minimal surface oxidation. The disadvantages of heat treatment process is it's only certain steel can be inducted hardened, and also it is restricted to component having a shape that is suitable for induction hardening. So not all component can be induced hardening. So the third process is polishing. So the advantages of polishing is it is good leveling after polishing, good brightness after polishing, and it is also suitable for simple, small, and medium workpiece. So for knives, it is a simple and medium workpiece, so it is very suitable. So the disadvantages is it is lastes, it is not consistent and durable. The workpiece may rust quickly, and it is not suitable for complex workpiece. The fourth process is honing process. So the advantage of honing process is it is good surface finish is achieved. The shaping and surface finishing is done in one process, and also it used for hard and conductive material that are susceptible to heat and distortion. The disadvantages is it has high capital costs and also provide high preventive maintenance costs. And the third one is non-conductive workpiece such as ceramics cannot be machined. So if the knife is made of ceramics, then it will not be able to use the process. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, so that's all for me. We hope you enjoy our video and get some sort of benefits from all the words we say. Yang baik datang daripada Allah dan yang buruk datang daripada diri kami sendiri. minta maaf sekiranya terkasar bahasa. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu.